Hi friends, welcome to Perfect Medico, where learning is made easy with simple mnemonics and easy animations. Kindly do subscribe to get updates regarding our new videos. The inguinal canal. Inguinal canal is an oblique passage that allows structure from abdomen to testes and from testes to abdomen in males, while round ligament from uterus to labia majors in females. In anterior lower abdomen, this is inguinal ligament which is attached laterally to anterior superior iliac spine and medially to pubic tubercle. In bony pelvis, this is anterior superior iliac spine, while this is pubic tubercle, which gives attachments to inguinal ligament. Position of inguinal canal. This is inguinal ligament. Inguinal canal lies above of medial half of inguinal ligament. Its total length is 1.5 inch in adult. The lateral boundary of inguinal canal is formed by deep inguinal ring, which is an oval-shaped defect in fascia transversalis and lies just above of midpoint of inguinal ligament. The medial boundary is formed by superficial inguinal ring, which is triangular defect in external oblique fascia and lies just above of pubic tubercle. Mnemonics for deep inguinal ring and superficial inguinal ring. Remember defective 6 in OT, where DE is for deep inguinal ring, effective is for fascia transversalis, S is for superficial inguinal ring, EX is for external oblique fascia, O is for oval shape, which is deep inguinal ring, and T is for triangular shape, which is superficial inguinal ring. Mnemonics for boundaries of inguinal canal. Boundary of inguinal canal respectively formed by. Remember boundaries with SAID and formed by with MALT. S in SAID is for superior boundary, formed by M in MALT is for muscles, 2 in number, that is transverse abdominis muscle and internal oblique muscle. A in SAID is for interior boundary and is formed by A of MALT representing epineuroses, 2 in number, that is external oblique epineuroses and internal oblique epineuroses. I in SAID is for inferior boundary, formed by L in MALT representing ligaments, 2 in number, that is inguinal ligament and lacunar ligament. D in SAID is for dorsal boundary, formed by T of MALT representing tendons, 2 in number, that is transverse facialis tendons and conjoint tendon. Mnemonics for content of inguinal canal. Remember 3 Fano. So the content of inguinal canal are 3 fascia, 3 arteries, 3 nerve and 3 other structure. 3 fascia. Imagine a girl, she has internal and external oblique line on her face and she put cream on her face. So here internal and external oblique line represent internal and external oblique fascia and cream represent cremasteric fascia. So the 3 fascia are internal oblique fascia, external oblique fascia and cremasteric fascia. For 3 arteries, remember distal cannulated tubules, shortly DCT. D is for differential artery, C is for cremasteric artery, and T is for testicular artery. For 3 nerve, remember Glasgow Coma scale, shortly GCS, where G is for genital branch of genitofemoral nerve, C is for cremasteric nerve, and S is for sympathetic nerve. For three other structure, remember lipid, where L is for lymph vessel, P is for tympaniform plexus, and D is for ductus deferens.